Good Friday evening, family. This is Natty with Simply Me Journey. Well, family, I have myself a lot of fish, and they have to be cleaned. So I haven't cleaned fish in a long time. I'm talking like since I was a teenager. Okay, so I've gotten started with this thing here. I have some brim. I think he said brim and perch. See, I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. I got 13 fish to clean. So I'm going to show you all how to clean fish. There go the ones that I've already completed. Complete those. So let me show you all how to clean fish. Alright, family. So I've already got started with this here. As I said. And it's already clean. Cut the heads off. Let me get this one here. This is one of the large size ones. I think this is a brim. I don't know. It's a fish. It needs cleaning. Okay, let's do scaling. Have to scale the fish first. I got scales flying all over the place. So scale fish here, back. The scales are going everywhere. That's to be expected. I'm going to make sure they're all taken off on the knife here. And try to make sure right at the fins. Make sure I'm, getting the scales right off the fin. So go to the other side. Just doing my scaling real good. Scales coming up. Coming off really well. Like I said, family, I haven't cleaned fish since I was a teenager. And I've been getting this young man, he go out and he catch fish, and he'll bring me some. So he brought me a bag this morning, and y'all, I'm supposed to be on the highway right now. I'm going out of town again. Okay, then we're going to cut the head off. So cut the head off. This way, cut that off. There you go. Yes. Then I'm going to cut so I can get the rest of the guts out. Guts out. There we go. And then when I finish with all of this, I'm going to wash them really well, and I'll put them in the freezer. I might have to go take some and put them out in my sister's freezer because my freezer is small. Here goes some more. You see all these fish scales. This stuff going in the bag. This is me trying to clean. Okay, here we go again. Yeah. This is a little bitty one, so its scales is much more easier to come off. Scale. Both sides of the fish. Get as close to the fins as possible. This end right here. Cut there. Scale. I'm sorry, scale. We scale all the way up to to this part of the fish. Because I'm cutting the head off, so I don't need all that. I like the scales is off pretty good. So, alright, my scale off pretty good. got scales all over the place. But family, this is Debbie's Simple Journey. I just want to kind of show y'all how to clean fish. Like I say, I used to clean them up growing up. That's what my dad, he was a fisherman, hunterman, did everything. And he would bring fish, shrimp, oysters, crabs, flounder, red snapper, trout, bass, perch, you name it. We had it. Alright, so it's nice little size here. Scale, I start from the tail, hold it down, scale upwards. Scales are flying all over the place. That means I'm going to have a nasty mess to clean up. When I get close to the fin too, back of the, go to the back, front here, both sides, come from the bottom on up. This little rascal here, this scales are a little tough. All these look like brims. I don't think these. Well, this might be a bass. I don't know. I think that may be a bass. Brim, I mean a bass, kind of lighter in color. Yep. How to clean fish. How to clean scale fish. Scale it first. Get close to the fins. Scale, knife down. Well, bring right all the way up to the head area where we'll cut. We're not going to be eating the head. Alright, here we go again. Cut the head off. I catch it right here. Hold. Go down. Okay. I may be doing this wrong to many folks, probably so. I'm probably doing it wrong because I haven't done this since so. I don't know how old. Like my dad used to go out fishing and stuff. Let's cut this part here out. We're gonna whole area. Cut that. Alrighty, cut here. So I can get the rest of the guts out. Okay, that must be on the, oh, that was on the fin where I took so much. Ooh, that's looking nasty. Look. Okay, family, I'm not going to keep y'all much longer. Just want to give y'all a quick sample showing you how to cut clean scale fish. Say your scale come up, come from the end, from the back, go on up with your knife, scale here, get close to your fins as possible, and you want to cut that hole out, that little poop hole, cut that out. You want to cut it, open inside of it, get all your guts out of there, get your guts out, cut your head off, and clean. So far I've cleaned 3, I've cleaned 6. This is a nice one here. So I've cleaned 6 so far, and I have 7 more to go. Alright fam, this next Simple Me journey. A nice size here. It's really a nice size. This is never Simple Me journey. I'm not going to keep y'all long time. I've been doing a whole lot of this. No matter of fact, today was the first day I ever cut my grass with my own lawnmower. There's somebody to cut my grass. I'm like, you know, it's time for me to learn how to do this job. Alright fam, this next Simple Me journey is about your journey, and this is how to clean shellfish. And what I'm cleaning here is brims and bass. Alright fam, y'all be blessed. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share. Bye bye.